In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI video for a TikTok. Actually, we're going to do an AI ad for a protein as an example. And this is the result of this tutorial.
This is what I use. And it's been a game changer for my recovery.
So to create that video, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. This is a platform where you can try these AI models for just $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here. And here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to click in settings and in the model, be sure that you are using the Seedance 2.5 model. Now in duration, we're going to use 10 seconds because for this tutorial, I want to do a short video, but this is a model where you can do videos up to 30 seconds long. That is a very good duration. So well, now here we can upload images, videos, and audios of reference. And well, I'm going to upload an image of reference. That is the image of the product. So now let's upload this image. And here where it says write your prompt, I'm going to use this prompt. This, as you can read, is a very simple prompt where I just say that I want a young muscular guy to do an UGC style ad for this protein. So well, now we have to click here and now click in generate. And now, while the video is generating, I wanted to tell you that this video had a cost of 5 credits. With a $1 promo, you will receive 10 credits. So you could do 2 videos like this one, trying this platform. So well, now let's wait for the result. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it.
This is what I use. And it's been a game changer for my recovery.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the result. The quality of the video is really good, simple, but very good. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that you can try this platform and to create videos like this one for just $1. And after saying that, see you in the next video.